Ever looked at a swoosh and instantly thought of Nike? Or seen a bitten apple and your mind went straight to Apple Inc? That's the power of branding. But how does one create such a strong brand identity for a new business? It may seem like a daunting task, but fear not. Today, we're going to break down this process into easy, digestible steps. Branding is more than just a logo or a catchy slogan. It's an amalgamation of your company's mission, vision, values, and the unique selling proposition that sets you apart from the competition. It's the story that your business tells, the experience it promises, and the memories it creates in the minds of your customers. Step 1 involves defining your brand. This includes identifying your target audience, understanding their needs, and aligning your business goals with them. Know what your business stands for, its purpose, and the unique value it brings to the market. Step 2 is all about creating a distinctive brand identity. This includes designing a memorable logo, choosing a fitting name, and possibly even a tagline that encapsulates your brand's essence. Remember, consistency is key. Make sure that every element of your brand identity reflects the same story. The third step is about building a positive brand image. This involves delivering on your brand promises, providing exceptional customer service and quality products or services. Remember, a brand is not just what you tell people it is, it's what people tell each other it is. Step 4 is all about brand promotion. This involves using various marketing strategies to increase brand awareness and visibility. From digital marketing to traditional advertising, PR to influencer marketing, choose the channels that best reach your target audience. The final step, and arguably the most important, is brand management. This involves constantly monitoring and adjusting your brand to keep up with evolving market trends and customer preferences. Remember, a brand is a living entity that grows and evolves with your business. So, there you have it. 5 easy steps to brand your new business. Define your brand, create a distinctive brand identity, build a positive brand image, promote your brand, and manage your brand. Remember, while the process may be challenging, the rewards of a strong brand are immeasurable. In summary, branding a new business involves identifying your business's unique selling proposition, designing a memorable brand identity, delivering on your brand promises, promoting your brand, and managing your brand's evolution. It's a continuous journey of discovery and evolution, but one that can ultimately lead to business success. And always remember, a great brand is like a story that never stops unfolding. It's a promise that never stops delivering. It's an experience that never stops impressing. So go ahead, start your branding journey today and create a brand that leaves a lasting impression. So that's it for today. Make sure to come back for more financial insights and tips, like subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.